I ordered a set of projector LED headlights for the Torino. So in this video, I'm going to replace the sealed beam headlights with the projector headlights that I just bought. I don't know what exactly I've checked, and they should plug in right. I'm not sure what it'll take to get them mounted in, but here we go. Okay. First thing is to take these little screws out. They don't look original equipment to me, but we're just taking the first thing is to get the old headlights off. Okay, so I've got those two screws, then I have a spring back here. That gets the frame off, and then the headlight itself. I think that the plug is supposed to fit exactly, but we can check that out. I've got the new headlights now, so let's take a look at them. I think that's the right kind of plug. We'll check it and see. Okay, but here they are. Got the projector headlights. It's a LED halo headlight. Okay, got a plug. Okay, and it's a 3-prong there, and a 3-prong here. So looks to be where plugs in perfect. One thing I did notice, the original headlights just have a single plug there. These have a larger part that goes through the back of the bowl and plugs in. So I had to enlarge the hole in the bowl so that the headlight would fit in. What we're going to do in here, like that. I got all of the bowls, is what I'm calling them, for the headlights cut in the back, opened up so they'll fit. But I'm noticing even with that, they stick farther out than the original headlights, which you can see just how thin that is. which is problematic, but it can easily be, or can be, gotten around and fixed. So what I've done was put this one headlight. Okay, so what I need to do is put this back in here, and it just slides into these two adjusting screws. Okay. Okay, we've got that in. Now put the headlight in, and it tells you what the top is. So we put the headlight in. Got that seated, then put the retaining frame on it. And I noticed two issues. One, it's going to take a longer spring, because that's a lot farther with the headlight sticking out farther. That's a lot farther the spring has to stretch. And where I put the screws to screw in the mounting frame, the holes are farther away. So I need larger screws for that. I've already gotten what I'm hoping will work. And these springs are not the strongest, but they work good. So we'll take the headlight out of there. Attached to the frame and the base, we get our headlight, and just at where it says the top is supposed to be, and just stretch that. I already had a frame there. Stretch that frame over it, and line the holes up where it's going to screw in. Then it's as easy as putting these longer screws in, and it is okay, and it is sturdy in there. I still have the adjusting screws work the same way. I haven't done anything with them. I just had to put a longer spring and longer screws that actually attach the frame. So we'll go and do that to all the three more headlights. Okay, let's get the last one in here. The top is facing up. And we just put the frame down over it. Okay, we put these last two screws in. And that secures the last headlight. It took a little modification, but not so much as I was thinking it might take. Okay, and all of them are in. Let's put it down here so that you can get a better view of it. Okay, and there it is. The projector headlights in the frame. Everything is done. Now I'm going to have to do a little bit of repair to the grill to get it installed, but that gets the headlights installed.